Welcome back to Amazing Quiz. Before starting, please subscribe to the Amazing Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. Are you ready to check your IQ score? There are 30 questions in this test and you have 10 seconds to answer each of them. For every correct answer you get 1 point. Don't forget to count your score and share your results in the comments at the end of the video. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Which vegetable is associated with Halloween? Which of these is a mineral? Which company produces the computer operating system Windows? Which country has the oldest written constitution still in existence? What is used to toast slices of bread? The number 3.14159 is better known as? What helps an adult turtle to protect itself from its enemies? To which order do biologists classify the mouse? Which animal is a friend of Shrek? Which liquid substance covers the majority of the Earth's surface? What month and day does Christmas fall on? What is the lifestyle of unmarried men? What is the name of the first child in the family? What is the center of a dartboard called? What did American astronauts put on the moon during the first landing? Who has sexual relations with Monica Lewinsky in the White House as a U.S. president? What finger do most people use to point with? What is the term for the appearance of a car?
What kind of programming is broadcasted on ESPN? What number is James Bond associated with? If a woman is going to have a baby, she is said to be what? Which horoscope sign is represented by a lion? Which animal was the focus of Jurassic Park? What are you doing if you are singing to the accompaniment of audio tapes? What is the favorite food of Winnie the Pooh? Which month has an extra day during a leap year? What is the alternative name for Holland? For which of these is Cuba especially famous? H2O is an abbreviation for what liquid? Which of these is not a primary color?